I want you to go and do this right now to get more conversions on your blog posts. The goal of a blog post is to drive organic traffic and then to convert that traffic into the next phase of the journey with you. That's the whole point, right? We deliver value, we catch people's email addresses, we build relationship, we make sales, we convert them into clients. What I want you to do right now is have a look at your blog posts and see how many times are you asking for the person's email address? How many times are you presenting that next step? Pause the video and go and have a look at one. So when you look at your blog posts, what you'll usually find is that they're just blog posts. They might have comments at the end, or here's another blog post, here's another blog post, or work with me. Nothing in between. So that's a lot like going into a bar, walking up to a random stranger, going down on one knee and saying, hey, will you marry me? Doesn't make sense, does it? So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you present all visitors to your blog posts with 3 to 5 opportunities to take the next step. And by next step, I don't just mean buy my stuff. I mean, hey, this blog post is about X. Let me show you X.2 or version 3 or the next thing. It allows them to go further, faster, deeper inside of the content that you're sharing in your blog. Go through your blog, look at how many times you are inviting them to take those next steps and add in some more. They can be images, they can be videos, they can be text links inside of the body of the blog post itself. You could even have a next steps section at the end of your blog that says, hey, now that you've read and understood this information, the next steps for you are go and check your blog. Count how many call to actions there are leading to the next steps and increase them. If they're less than 3, increase them. If they're 0, whoa, fix them now. Stop this video, drop everything that you're doing and go and fix it, because it's this mechanism that allows you to convert your traffic into leads. And once you've converted into leads, you can build relationship. You can send email, you can create this relationship with people so that they become clients. Go and check your blog post now, fix it up, make sure that you are inviting the people that come to your site to take those next steps.